going to give you 40 amps back into your battery whilst you're driving, and then also solar input off that as well. Hey guys, it's Paul from All 12 Volt. I just want to run through a HILUX build we just finished, canopy fit out. So let's have a look. So on the left hand side of the canopy, we've done the dual coloured LED lighting throughout the canopy. So 2 on the left hand side, 2 on the right hand side, and obviously they dim down and change colour. Also on the HILUX, what we've done is we've put power to his rooftop tent, the Motop tent on the top there. We've put power into that, so he's got cigarettes, USBs up there, also an Anderson plug as well, so for his accessories, like a fan or something like that if it gets too hot. So there's constant power up there as well. Or operated off your switch panel on the side, inside the canopy as well. So on the left-hand side of the Bushman fridge that we've put in here into this canopy, we have a various amount of things on the side here. I'll start from the bottom and we'll work our way up. So on the bottom here, we've got an Anderson plug. So for all your accessories, that's rated up to 50 amps. Then above that, we've got a normal GPO, which is connected to his 2000 watt inverter out in the back. 4-way switch panel that operates his left-hand lights, fridge, and also cigarettes and USBs, and one spare at the moment, so you can add into things later on. Above that, your dimmer control for your lighting. Above that again, we've got your cigarettes, USBs on top. So on the left-hand side of the USBs and cigarettes, we have a 40 amp Redarc DC to DC charger. That's going to give you 40 amps back into your battery whilst you're driving, and then also solar input off that as well. Above that, we have our breakers, so 80 amp breaker, which is protecting your switches and the Anderson plug down the bottom. And then on the right hand side, you've got a 200 amp breaker, which is protecting the 2000 watt inverter, which is over the back. Now I'll take you around to the other side and we'll see what it all looks like behind the scenes. Okay, on the right hand side of the vehicle now, we've got on the side here, switch to turn the lights on and off, as you can see. And it changes to amber as well, as the other side does. Next to that, we've got a cigarette and USB connected to our switch panel on the other side as well. Or you can connect it up to the mains power, whichever you prefer. Provided it's fused, it's fine. Over the back behind the fridge, as you can see, we have our 135 amp hour Slimline battery. And then on top of that, a 2000 watt inverter. All right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Short and sweet, but to the point. If you have any questions or thoughts about things you want to do to your canopy, please give us a call or come and see us at the shop. Thanks again.